Advancement of logistics in the information society in the 1970s and 1980s, information technologies such as LANS local area networks and WANS wide area networks were introduced to manage links and nodes in an isolated manner. As just-in-time management became prevalent in manufacturing, it called for total quality management (TQM), which integrated logistics into other corporate functions. Thereby, link and node management became part of the overall management approach using innovative information network technologies. However, up to this stage, one corporation largely controlled the information networks. In the 1990s, TQM evolved into logistics, and at the same time, the Internet revolution came to fruition. The need to manage door-to-door deliveries efficiently on a global scale prompted the expansion of corporate information networks to include suppliers, dealers, partners, subsidiaries, and alliances in an integrated manner. The necessary integration of logistics operations across the supply chain has been made possible by the advancement of information technology. Internet is rapidly becoming a powerful business tool because of its online commercial services and e-commerce capabilities. The net is ready to become a medium by which companies trade, make contracts, exchange data and information, discuss designs, and locate components. The application of ICT to transportation has also led to the emergence of intelligent transport systems. ITS links individual transportation elements and combines them into a single system through the use of advanced information technologies. ITS integrates various technologies and institutional functions to realize efficient, safe, and environmentally friendly transport systems. It offers the potential to improve the efficiency of use of transportation systems by generating additional capacity from existing physical infrastructure. With the traditional design approach of transport infrastructure, it is inherently difficult to take into account dynamic changes associated with logistics. In order to overcome this gap, dynamic control of logistics operations is necessary. Strategic applications of innovative information such as Global Positioning System (GPS), ITS, Electronic Data Interchange (EDI), and Electronic Commerce (EC) integrated through the Internet will then become inevitable. The existence of high-performance information infrastructure will dictate the logistics competence of a country or a region. These complex and sophisticated information infrastructures will induce interactive processes in logistics activities. Effects of advanced information technologies and technological innovation on logistics improvement in the performance of logistics. The use of ICT has improved the exchange of supply chain information, leading to the development of integrated production and logistics management systems, and has thereby improved supply chain performance in many ways. Commercial transaction flow and physical distribution are separated. Electronic Data Interchange (EDI) has dramatically changed the ways in which commercial transactions are managed. These systems use computer links instead of hard copy paper, which required extensive time to transfer and often contained errors. The advantages of these ICT-supported information exchange systems include increased speed and reliability, increased storage capacity, increased transparency, reduced transaction costs, and increased worldwide coverage. Goods and vehicle tracking, as well as real-time vehicle routing and scheduling systems, have transformed logistics management. Cargo can now be identified, tracked, and scheduled in real time almost anywhere in the world. Mechanization and automation inside the logistics facility, quality control, and warehouse management technologies have also improved. Lead time has been reduced by the introduction of EDI, mechanization, automation, and optimal vehicle routing systems, leading to potentially lower levels of stock surplus. The development of the Internet provides a convenient way of gathering, organizing, and distributing information on products, services, and trade regulations at a global level. Intercompany trade in goods over the internet will continue to grow and will extend the globalization of trade, increasing the average haulage distance. Several companies use the internet as an exchange mechanism for planning the supply chain with their partners. Major freight transport service providers have resorted to creating web pages on the internet to provide information on their services, schedules, and rates that can be easily accessed around the clock by the global market. More advanced freight transport suppliers already provide the possibility for interactive responses to cargo tracking inquiries made by shippers and forwarders. These developments have increased competition among logistics providers. Transportation requirements of shippers have changed due to competition as manifested by fast, frequent, and reliable services. Just-in-time manufacturing, warehousing and distribution, door-to-door intermodal services, cargo tracing services, and other advanced information-related services. The transport industry as response to shippers' requirements has brought about higher quality value-added services resulting in current trends of supply chain integration. Strategic partnerships and alliances, third-party logistics, equipment sharing, and paperless exchange of information. Greater competition among different companies on a global scale will also increase the pace of innovation and put downward pressure on prices, both potentially beneficial to welfare creation